This Saturday in the morning, I'm going to buy collectible figures at the Orenales Mall, where I'll also meet new friends and socialize more. Tonight, I'll go to the movies at 8 p.m. I'd like to go to the Unicinema with my best friend to see an action movie because we both don't like horror movies. And on Sunday, I will stay home to save money and sleep more. But probably in the night, I go to the supermarket to buy dispenses for the next week.